Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier IAC-1 will begin its sea trial next month and is set to be commissioned into Eastern Naval Command as INS Vikrant by mid of 2022. Defense Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh, who is on visit to INS Kadamba, the Navy's premier naval base in Karwar, Karnataka, was confident that commissioning of IAC-1 would take place in 2022, which will be befitting tribute to 75 years of India's independence. He described the indigenous aircraft carrier as a shining example of Navy's efforts towards being self-reliant or Atmanirbhar. The Defense Minister disclosed that 46 out of 48 ships and submarines that are presently being inducted into Navy are of indigenous construction. The project IAC-1, which is 24,000 crore project, has been hit by multiple delays, while the original targeted date for the commissioning was 2018, and second wave of Chinese virus has further delayed it to 2022. As per Indian Navy, the ship has completed the basin trial successfully in November 2020, during which the propulsion and the power generation systems of the ships were tested. Following the trials, the integration of a number of other navigational, communication and operational systems were undertaken. Though the ships were slated for sea trials earlier this year, it got delayed due to COVID-induced lockdowns and quarantine process for naval officers and experts coming in from abroad. As per the media sources, the sea trials for indigenous aircraft carrier should have been started earlier this year and the ship would have been commissioned by end of this year. But due to the second wave of Chinese virus, sea trials are now expected to commence from next month, and the focus would be on moving components of ships to see how vessel fares in the water. Talking about the specifications of INS-1, it has a standard displacement of 40,000 tons. It is 262 meter long and 62 meter wide and has a deck area of about 2.5 acres. It has a propulsion system which uses combined gas turbine and gas turbine configuration, that is COGAG type of propulsion system, which includes 4 General Electric LM2500 and gas turbines with 2 Elcon COGAG gearbox. Whole propulsion system used to propel double shaft. It has a speed of 28 knots or 52 kilometers per hour with a range of 15,000 kilometers. It has a crew capacity of 196 officers and 1449 sailors. It has 10,000 meters square flight deck, which can facilitate 36 to 40 aircraft, including 26 fixed-wing aircraft like Meconian MiG-29K and 10 rotatory wing Ka-31 or Westland Seeking or HL through helicopters. Talking about its armament, it has 232 cell of vertical launch system capable of launching total of 64 Barak 8 surface-to-air missiles, which is used to defend against the aerial threats. It also has 4 Auto Breda 76mm dual-purpose cannons and 4 AK-630 close-in weapon system. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind, friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.